Guacamole, look at this. Liberty Walk Toyota Supra. Look at how wide this car is, like right here versus like the factory stock model. RIP Z4, that's hilarious. BMW Supra. That is funny. Another Honda for the video. This car I've seen before. Look at this Honda Civic Type R with carbon fiber hood. Championship white Honda Civic Type R with carbon grille. That looks really nice, the carbon with white rims. Honda S2000 on the white rims. Whoa, look at that. Look at all the Hondas here. Honda Civic SI. Another Honda Civic, this one's a Type R. This is another Type R. I saw this one on the highway once. Championship white Type R. Red Type R. One of the rare yellow Type. This Supra. Got a carbon hood Supra. Red Supra with the octopus inside. Blacked out Supra here. Oh, look at the carbon fiber on that. Holy cow, look at this green NSX. It's right beside a GT3 RS as well. It's a BMW bike. There's another NSX. Look at that. Second NSX. Then there's an R8 over here. Look at that blue, wow, 350Z. This is a really nice spec of 350Z. I haven't seen one before, the graphics on it, but it actually looks pretty cool with it.